Hey everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable low power mode on AFK Arena. So let's get started. First, open the AFK Arena game on your mobile device. Tap on the profile icon from the top left corner of your screen. Now tap on the settings option. Here in the game settings section, you can find the low power mode option. To disable it, tap on the toggle switch in front of the low power mode option. Once the switch turns grey, low power mode is successfully disabled. And this is how you can disable low power mode on AFK Arena. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.